Now that we've got the box drawn in, we're going to do our letters on the back side. So we're going to flip our paper over and we're going to draw in a new horizon line. And we're going to draw in a new vanishing point. Remember, you will only use one vanishing point for all of your letters. So you're going to have just one, and all the letters, no matter where they are, go to this vanishing point. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start off with the letter R. And you're going to draw in using block letters. So no curves to your letters. You can get a little bit creative with your lettering style if you'd like to. Doesn't have to be perfect, at least square or anything. Now I've got my letter. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put a dot on all of the corners from where I could possibly have to draw a line. So everywhere that the angle changes. Now I'm going to draw in this one and this one, just like the top of my box. Same one with down here. Okay, I'm not going to draw this one in because it goes into my letter, so this part's the solid part, you wouldn't see it. I don't need to draw this one. This one I do need to draw because it goes into open space before it goes into my letter. So I'm going to draw this in, but as soon as I hit my letter, I'm going to stop. Not going to continue the line over here because that's just going to be confusing to me later. Don't need to draw that one in. I don't need to draw this one in. I do need to draw this one in again because it goes into that open space. But same thing, as soon as it hits my letter, I'm going to stop drawing it. This one, and this one, I don't need to draw in. What you kind of want to do is think of your vanishing point as a light, and the light's shining down onto your letter. What parts of the letter would the light hit? So that's the part that's going to kind of become the three-dimensional part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this one and this one together parallel to this original letter line. Same with this one and this one. I'm going to connect those two together just like the top of the box. Okay. Then this orthogonal line and this orthogonal line appear to seem like they're right next to each other, but they're actually not, because this dot and this dot where these orthogonals come out of don't have a line that connects them from an original letter. So we don't want to connect these two lines together. What we want to do is connect where the line takes us. So if this one was drawn in, if we just pretended we saw that one, we would be making a line that's parallel here. So I would take my ruler and draw in until I hit my letter, and then I stop. Same thing with this one. I would be connecting this one with the one that it connects to, so up here, and I'm going to be making it parallel to that. So it's going to come straight down like so. Then when I erase these extra lines, it stands alone. Now we still have to think about the inside. If we see the light shining down on this part of the R, then we're going to be seeing this inside part of the R. So we're going to be making a line that goes parallel to this side and to the bottom part of our R. So I'm going to go straight line down here and straight line across there. So now those lines line up and I have my letter in correct perspective. Now if I were to make an S on the other side, we're going to pretend like I'm using my ruler, but you know. Okay, then again I'm going to start to line up. All my lines. Again, this is like the top of the box here. This one would connect to this one. This one connects here and here. So these two would connect and those two would connect. And then this one to this one. So that would be my S. And I would then erase all of the extra. Now, of course, you'll be using a ruler, so these lines will be much straighter, but for time, I just wanted you to get the basic idea of how the lines when they go the other direction.